Hey guys, welcome back to BenderTube and another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. Now, today we're going to talk about Instagram's new long-form video program, Igtv, and best tips and tricks when uploading to it. This one's a little bit special, guys, because this is the first video we're posting to Igtv. A little over a week ago, Instagram introduced Igtv, which is vertical long-form video. Normally, I would kind of shun this, but unlike every drunk video you ever seen posted to Facebook, World Star, vertical video can look good, as long as it's done right. So there's a few tips and tricks to get you going. The first thing is, don't try to cheat the system. So don't do this, and definitely don't do this. Plan out your shots with a narrower, taller view in mind. It can look good. Now, make sure you post original content. Don't have the same thing on YouTube and the same thing on IGTV. Now, I know, terrible example because this video is on both, but I'm here to teach you, and I promise it's the only time I'm gonna do it. Instagram is a more intimate space. Give them behind the scenes, give your viewers a vlog. While you're at it, embrace it further. You have a new smartphone with 4K, 60 frames per second. Use it. But don't just use it. Put it on a tripod, put it on a gimbal. If you have to, put it on a selfie stick. Get the best footage you can and make your viewers want to watch. The next step is your thumbnail. The thumbnail is just as important here as it is on YouTube. Meaning, you gotta make sure it's good and then they can read it. One thing to look out for here is that it's vertical, so that means you have a tinier space to write. That doesn't mean just shrink down your words, because people still need to be able to read it. You need to be very clear and concise and have a real eye-catching thumbnail. Once you've done that, you know what your video is going to look like, you have all your footage shot, and you have your thumbnail together. You need to edit it and get it onto IGTV. Here you have two options. One, you can do it on mobile, or you can do it on your computer. If you choose to do it on mobile, Niman has an excellent tutorial on how to edit on a mobile device, so I'll link that down below. Once you've done all that, uploading is simple. Either open up the Instagram app and click the IGTV icon, or if you have it, open up the IGTV app. Once you have that open, you're going to see your icon on the right-hand side. Click that, and that's going to bring up your channel. If you haven't set up your channel, do that right now. It's just a couple easy steps. Once that's all done, though, you're going to see a plus icon on the right side. Click that, find the video you want to upload, hit it, then click next, and then now where it says edit cover, that's where you're going to put that thumbnail you designed. Put in your title, and put in a description saying what it is, because metadata is just as important here as it is on YouTube. After that, click if you want to show it on Facebook or not, and hit post. Then you're all set. The other option you have is to edit and upload on your computer. Now, there might be a couple more steps, but it's going to be a hell of a lot easier to edit, in my opinion. Open up your editor of choice. Mine's Premiere Pro, so you're going to want to create a new sequence. And it doesn't matter what you pick here, if it's 1080, 4K. I'm going to use 1080. But this next part is the important one. Don't just create the new sequence. Change your settings, because you have to reverse the aspect ratio. So instead of 1080 by 1920, you're going to flip it to 1920 by 1080. That's for anybody doing 1080. I'll have the 4K settings posted. All right, so edit everything exactly how you want. Get that feel that you want. But when you're ready to export, go in and just make sure it's 9 by 16. Once again, those aspect ratios right there for you. Once everything is edited and looks good, open up your browser. That's the internet for... No. If you're doing this, you should know what a browser is. Go to your browser. All right, go to Instagram.com. In your profile, there's going to be where it says IGTV. Click that. Click the upload icon. Select your video. Let it process. Put in that thumbnail, title, and description, and post it. And congratulations, your video's live on IGTV. Now, that's it for me. If you guys found the video helpful at all, give it a like, give it a heart. Heart, we're on IGTV. Give it a heart. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And guys, as always, I'll see you in the next video.